need to fill your pressure canner completely with jars, or can you do a partial load? Hey there, my name is Sharon Peterson and I'm with simplycanning.com, where you can find home food preservation tutorials and online classes. Come join me there and I will help you get your pantry filled. So today's canning chat question is this is from a Facebook group. Simply Canning Facebook. Come join us there if you're not on already. So the question is, do I have to completely fill my pressure canner with jars? I have some carrots that I'd like to can, but I don't have enough to fill 7 jars, only about 3. What would happen if I tried to pressure can just 3 jars? Would the jars float all over the place and bang together? So first I want to say I don't believe your jars will float around. Remember, with a pressure canner, you're only putting a few inches in the bottom of your canner, so the jars are not covered with water. And the water will be boiling, but I don't believe your jars are going to bang around at all. Also, my second point is, since you have 3 jars, if they are quart jars, you can just do those 3 jars and you'll be fine. If they are pint jars, however, I would encourage you to add a couple of waters, and this is the reason. I found on the Ball website, which is freshpreserving.com, that they do have a recommendation that you not pressure can with, it's less than a minimum of 2 quart jars or 4 pint jars. So with the 3 quart jars of carrots, you'd be fine, but if you only have 3 pint jars of carrots, add a jar of water. Now, I also want to point out that this is the only place that I have found this recommendation. I trust Ball, and so I usually go by the recommendations they make, but I haven't found it anywhere else. So you just have to go with what your personal preference is on that. Since I saw the recommendation, I will go ahead and add a jar of water if I need to, if I only have partial loads. You can save that water. Maybe it will be an emergency stash. You'll kind of just build up jars of water every now and again. Or even if you're not going to save the water, you can use an old lid. You don't have to use up your new lids on those jars of water if you're just going to dump them and throw them away anyway. But I would recommend go ahead and have those extra jars in there. But keep in mind, you don't have to have a full 7 quart jars. 2 quarts? 2 quarts is fine, or 4 pints is fine. So I hope that was helpful. You have a great day, and we'll see you in the next canning chat. We'll talk to you later.